Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by prioritizing safety. Assess the infestation and immediate risks so you can act without creating a hazard. Once done, confirm legal limits in your area and choose a non-hazardous approach if available. Make sure to don eye protection and gloves and visually inspect any tool for visible damage. If it looks compromised, do not proceed. You'll avoid escalation by pausing now, documenting conditions with photos, and selecting the least risky option to handle pests. You should choose methods that solve the problem while minimizing risk. For many infestations, sealed baits, insecticidal stations, or targeted vacuuming work better than improvised projectile approaches. Once done, focus on exclusion. Seal gaps around plumbing and windows, repair screens, and install door sweeps to stop re-entry. If the issue persists, make sure to consult a licensed pest control pro who can apply treatments safely and legally and offer follow-up service rather than escalating to risky DIY tactics. You complete the process by monitoring outcomes and documenting any ongoing activity for at least 1 to 2 weeks so patterns emerge. Once done, review your photos and notes. If the problem continues, stop further DIY escalation rather than experimenting with risky methods. Make sure to contact a licensed pest control specialist who can diagnose root causes and prescribe safer, effective measures. Troubleshooting tip: if treatments seem ineffective, reassess exclusion and sanitation first.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.